the review board. All items are presumed to be tasty.
Hello and welcome to case number 50 on the review board. And on today's docket, I've got kind of a battle of the white cheddar popcorns going again. This time it is Angie's white cheddar popcorn versus Skinny Pop white cheddar popcorn. And I'm going to do a comparison and see whether or not they pass the board to start with, and then we'll see how they compare to each other. And then on today's beverage, another bottle of flavor of the Ramune, and it's kind of funny. Before, just a few weeks ago, I'd never even heard of this, and then I heard someone talking about it. It was Val on Trippy Foods who was mentioning this particular type of soda and what it takes to open it. I thought that was pretty cool, but I'd never seen them, and so Janice Yamanaka, be sure to check out Val's and Janice's channels. I got their links below. But Janice was really nice and sent me a bottle of the Ramune because I'd never seen it before, and I believe it was a melon flavored, if I remember correctly. And then yesterday we were going through the store, and what did I see but a bottle of the strawberry flavor Ramune. So I guess our little backwoods store is starting to come into a little bit of mainstream stuff. So anyway, all right, let's get this show on the road, shall we? I hope everybody is having a just day, and we are doing Courtland. Thank you. We're going to start with the white cheddar. Uh-oh. Well, they're both white cheddar. Nope. They're both white cheddar. We'll start with the Angie's. Boom Chicka Pop. Whole grain. Gluten-free, non-GMO white cheddar popcorn. Yeah. It's got a good salt level. I like popcorn salty, so this is really good. But it also has a really nice white cheddar. Yeah, it has a really nice white cheddar flavor. The popcorn tastes really fresh. It's got a nice crunch to it. It is the whole kernel corn. It's not just the ends that some popcorns do. So it's still got a little bit of the kernel on there. Husk. Well, I'm going to give Angie's Chicka Boom white cheddar popcorn a guilty. They're very tasty. I'm going to finish this bag in no time. That is very, very good. So let's move on to the drink. Alright, come on now. If I can get the plastic off of it. Get it off there somehow. There it is. Okay. So again, if you've not seen this, you got to pull this little center out, and there's a marble on the top that is sealing the bottle. You place the little plunger on the top, put your palm on there, just push down. That pushes the marble down. Ramune, and I'm going to put it in my meat jar. I don't know if you can see that or not, but there's a little dimple. Oh. Yep, my faithful companions. There's a little dimple right here that keeps the marble from rolling up to the top and stopping the flow. Pretty cool little neat. Pretty cool little neat. Pretty cool little bottle. Alright, so this is the strawberry flavor. Wow. It smells really strawberry. It's got a nice strawberry flavor, but the flavor isn't as strong as the aroma. It smells much, much stronger than what you actually taste. It's good. It's very delicious, but it just has a less of a taste than it does a smell. Wow, that's different. I like the carbonation level on this. I like the sugar level. I think these are generally less sugar. I don't know. I've not really bothered to check, but overall it tastes like it's less sugar than you would get in a regular soda. Oh man, that is really good. Yeah, I like that. Bam! We're going to give that Ramune strawberry flavor soda a definite guilty. Okay, let's move on to our last item here, the Skinny Pop White Cheddar Popcorn, also a non-GMO, gluten-free, no artificial, blah, blah, blah. Same with this one. Let's see, does it have a notch? Doesn't look like it. Where's the notch? Okay, easy open. You never know with these bags. That smells, yeah, this one doesn't smell, I guess it's cheesy. The popcorn looks a little bit different. Okay, it's not very salty, and if this is white cheddar, I'm not getting, I don't really smell it, maybe a little bit. And I really taste more salt than I do any kind of cheese flavor. It doesn't taste bad, but it's really lacking. Yeah, it really lacks the white cheddar flavor. Let's do just a little side-by-side comparison. Let's see if there's a difference in the kernels. Now you can see clearly that there's a definite difference between the two. This one looks like it has less husks and might be a little more puffy. So the Skinny Dip, or the Skinny Pop White Cheddar Popcorn, it's going to get a pass. Well, yeah. It doesn't taste nearly as good as the Angie's Chicka Pop. So, if you're in the store and you see these, I'd pick up the Angie's. I don't know if there's a huge calorie difference. There is a little bit of calorie difference. 230 calories for this bag, 150 calories for this bag. So for that, what, maybe 70 calories. And now if you're really watching it, I guess, get this one. But, if you just want something good, you don't really care too much about that extra bit of calories or whatever, get the Angie's. All right? I'm going to eat another handful of it and get out of here. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.